Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. My name is Tor July, but you can call me Tor, you can call me July, you can call me whatever tickles your boat. You know how we do in this channel. We are all family here, so call me whatever you want. Except daddy, that's just weird, okay? I'm nobody's dad. Glad we just cleared that up. Today we have a special video. I did a video on which version might be the best to play Ocarina of Time. And I'm gonna leave, I think it's over here. Yeah, a little card. If you want to check out that video, it's pretty cool. It's just comparing Chip of Harkinian with Ocarina of Time on the Citra emulator or Citra emulator. I don't know. So for some weird reason, I thought Citra was already taken down by the developers, but apparently I'm in the webpage on Citra, and I'm gonna go through the entire process on how you can play Ocarina of Time on your PC. This time I won't be showcasing the texture pack or anything, just Citra, and how to habilitate or how to activate the second stick so you can play with a free camera. I'm gonna show you on Citra, and I'm also gonna show you on Chip of Harkinian. I feel like on the Chip of Harkinian one is a little bit easier to set up, but bear with me. This video is gonna be quick, but it's gonna be very, very detailed on how you will achieve this process. First things first. This is the Enrico Magnifico page. I will always show his page or talk about him because he is doing amazing work with modding Ocarina of Time and other Zelda games on the 3DS and emulation aspects of it to make it look really good. I'm gonna post his link so you can also check it out. He's got other texture packs. He's got, if you go here to texture packs, you can go ahead and check it out. It's pretty straightforward. Most of them, you just gotta download it and that's it. Anyways, we're here on Citra. Once you're here, by the way, all these links are gonna be down in the description, okay? So forgive me for not saying this before. All these links are gonna be in the description, so bear with me. Pick which one you got. I got Windows. Most of us do got Windows, so just click on Windows. Here we go down. We're gonna go for Citra for Windows. It's just this one, so you just click on that and it's gonna download. So wait for the download to happen. My internet is a little bit slow today, but this download shouldn't take you more than a minute, okay? Plus I'm also downloading Divinity Original Sin Definitive Edition. I love those games, but I've never finished them for some weird reason. All right, guys, so it downloaded, right? All you want to do is open your zip file. By the way, you need WinRAR for this. So just open your zip file. WinRAR is going to open. I have a free version of it. Here we go. There you go. Okay, so we got Citra's folder in here. All you want to do is click here, extract. And you're going to pick a folder where you want to extract. So over here, I have a bunch of drives. By the way, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 drives in here to store stuff. Anyways, you want to pick a driver, a hard drive where you want to download this. I'm gonna pick this one, and it's gonna create the folder by itself. But if you're unsure, all you gotta do is click create new folder. I have it in Spanish, but create new folder, right? And it's gonna create that folder where you can name it whatever you want. You can name it Citra, then download it there. You just click on Citra and it's gonna export it. If we go here into our file explorer and we go to that drive, we're gonna see Citra here. So in here, it's gonna be pretty easy and pretty straightforward. It's gonna be your emulation aspect. So this is Citra. Let me divide the screen here. All right. So now that we have Citra already in here, we're gonna go to the GitHub of Roberto Nessi Ocarina of Time 3D standalone free camera. Okay, that's the mod that we're gonna be installing for this thing. So we're gonna go here and hit code. When you get to this page, like I said, every link is gonna be in the description. But if you don't know how I got here, just in case, I was here on the texture pack of Enrico Magnifico. I went here, I got to more information here on the Ocarina of Time 4K, right? You click here on more information, go down to where it says free camera control mods, click on that yellow thing. It says most users should use this mod instead. So click on this and that's how I got here, Roberto. Anyways, I'm gonna have the link for everything that I did on the description. Just bear with me, even the Citra emulation page and everything. Anyways, you get to this page, click on code, download zip. That's gonna download everything. It says +1 on mine. Don't worry about it. It's because I've already downloaded this. But I'm doing this as if I'm doing it for the first time to show you guys. So just open this, and then let's do this. Let's go here. When you go down, it tells you what to do. Find the patch file inside patch files folder in this repository. They're divided by regional versions of Ocarina of Time, USA, Europe, and Japanese, and by platform, 3DS, etc. So choose the correct one. So I'm just gonna drop it all in here. Okay, it's got it here. Standalone free camera. I downloaded it on the folder. We're done, and we're done with this. Let's make it full screen. So we're gonna go, like I said, patch files. So how I got here, I just click on the folder, patch files, and we're gonna go for the version that we have. I have the USA version. I have Citra, and this is the mod. This is the mod, by the way, but it's not gonna work on itself. What you gotta do is go on Citra QTXE, open it up. It's gonna open up. I already have the games. After you set up Citra, which is basically really easy to set up, add new game directory, right? You can add the folder where all your ROMs are or your games are. After you do that, I have free directories. I have one on DS, 3DS, and this one, see? And then I have another, and it's gonna store it by folders. What you wanna do is just right click on the game, on Ocarina of Time, and do open mod locations. Okay? So your folder should be empty. Your folder should be like this. Let's delete it. Right? All you want to do is go back to Citra Windows. Let me divide it here. All you want to do is go back to Citra Windows, go to your patch files, USA, Citra. You want to copy both of these in there, and that's it. That's how you get your free camera mod for the 3DS. You can close both windows. After that, you double click, allow access. What you want to do too is, before we start or do anything, configure, controls, select what controls you have. I have a PS5 controller, right? And just map your buttons to the corresponding stuff. After you get everything, you want to set the analog sticks. So you just hit click here on the analog stick. It says first move your joystick horizontally and then vertically. Wait, sorry. Left and, oops, I did it wrong. I hit the other stick. Left and up, and that's gonna fix it. And then on the C stick, you want to do the same thing for the other stick. Then just do on the right stick, left, up, and that's gonna set up the other stick. Then you can just set up everything else if you want. I did a video, like I said, the previous video talked about motion controls and stuff like that. You can check out that video. But other than that, I already I started a file with a master mode. Oops, it's a little laggy here and there, but it's all right. There you go. We got a free camera mod working. All right, so that's for the 3DS. For the 3DS, if you're wondering how to do that, that's for the 3DS. So as you can see, I am, look, let me show you on camera here. This is the right stick. So it works. It can work with any other controller, Xbox controller, whatever controller you want to use. If I use my Xbox controller, it works on every single controller. This is Ocarina of Time on the 3DS with free camera, just like in Majora's Mask. And if anything, I feel like it plays even better. We're done with this aspect of the game. I feel like it's an easier way to set up. It's not that complicated. It's a little complicated if you don't know what to do and it's your first time like modding and stuff. By the way, I gotta thank this user commented on the video and asked me for this video. So you know what? I'm gonna shout you out. Thank you for watching the video. Every video I will shout out somebody that I find their comments really cool and really awesome. I feel like it's a good way to engage with the community, and thank you. I appreciate you, man. You're the GOAT. All right, let's get on with the video. Let's go to Ship of Harkinian, so I'll be right back, okay? All right, guys, so we're back. We are on Ship of Harkinian. So Look at Link, it looks so good, dude. I love this. I love Chip of Harkinian. It's really good, and the textures make it look a lot better. Anyways, I did a whole video, like I said, on Ocarina of Time on how you can do this. Anyways, all you gotta do is go here to control mapping, okay? Control mapping. Make sure that your C-sticks doesn't have anything. So, if anything, it's gonna be like up, right? Down, left, right. Okay? So instead of having the free camera, it's gonna be doing that. And obviously it's gonna have a camera, but it's gonna activate both camera and the C-stick. So what you're gonna do is just just hit X on this. This should be empty. Or you can just add like, I don't know, like up, down if you want on the keyboard if you feel like it. Do that. I don't know. Just hit it on the keyboard, right? Do that. I don't know, right? It's your choice. But anyways, you want to go down here to additional. It's gonna be like this. So you're gonna see it's gonna say additional right stick. You're gonna go hit here, and you gotta map it up. You gotta map up your controller down, left, right. Okay, do you think that's it? No, that's not it. That's not it. We're gonna close that and then go again controllers, and then we're gonna go into additional options. We're gonna go Ocarina controls, hit D-pad. So alternate controls, play with D-pad. That will make it so that the D-pad is available. Make sure it's ticked, okay? Close that or minimize it. Camera controls, right stick aiming, make sure is there, and free camera on third person, okay? Make sure to click that. If you don't click that, it's not gonna work. Okay? Again, go to controller, additional controller inputs. Okay. Now we have that out of the way. We're gonna go into miscellaneous controls. Just to show you there's nothing in there, and D-pad controls. D-pad as equipable items. Okay? And now that we have everything set up like I just told you, your controls should work like this. Okay? So you should have free camera control in the game. Yeah, that should definitely be. Well, I think that's the video for today. I just wanted to make a tutorial because, I saw a comment and he asked me to make this video, and me saying if you have any questions, I would make a video about it. I did, and here we are. So I hope you guys understand everything or understood everything that I just told you. It's a very simple and straightforward process, but I can understand it. It can be confusing if you don't know what you're doing, or if all of this like modding and everything, it's new to you. So I can completely understand. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single view you guys give me and all support. We've been growing steadily on the channel. We've gone up like 20 subs in the last month, and for me that is incredible because I've been doing videos for a long time and almost getting nowhere, and doing these videos is showing me that there is an interest out there, and people are enjoying this type of content, and I am super happy that I am seeing progress on the channel. It really is uplifting for me, and really cool to see that we're building a little community over here on YouTube. You guys have no idea how much this means to me. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and as always, I love you guys. Thank you so much for, even if you dislike the video and you're just checking me out, I thank you, and your input it's considered on this channel. Okay, thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Stay tuned, because we're gonna talk about Mario Kart Deluxe 8 and how you can play online on Ryujinx. That's awesome. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Peace out.